All right, got my hot water bottle with 2 liters of boiling water. Well, it's toasty warm in this bag, and I am tired, so I'm gonna hit the sack, and we're gonna see what this blizzard brings, because I can hear it snowing really hard right now. We'll see what we got in the morning. Good morning. I was woken up by big chunks of snow falling off the trees onto the tent. The wind's picked up a little bit, so it's happening a fair amount. But I think it's time to get up. Ah, there's some coals in there. Oh, there we go. I better go and put my sleeping bag away. I burned a hole in it last year